Hey guys, welcome to Ziffy Travels. How are you all? I wish you all are absolutely fine and are ready for your next adventurous trip. So let's come. Today we will explore Bali. Bali is a favorite destination for many people around the world, thanks to its location and surroundings. Now Bali is one of the foremost top clicked locations within the world. The place is covered with rice fields, beaches, small waterfalls, temples, volcanoes, beautiful sea view, and mountain cliffs. Bali could also be a perfect place to enjoy an outrage experience. From its list of unending idyllic beaches, captivating spiritual energies, terraced rice fields, and exotic sunsets, there is so much to see and experience on its magnificent island paradise. Bali is an island located in Indonesia. The place is covered with a clear light blue ocean all around. Bali is one of the very best demand destinations for couples who want to take out time from their hectic life and spend some time within the lap of nature. So let's explore some tourist spots in Bali. Samyang. Samyang in Bali is a beautiful resort area to spend your holiday and get your fix of white beaches, delicious food and relaxation time. Samyang is one of the most popular tourist spot destination in Bali. People gravitate here for that little bit of luxury and relaxation, starting from exquisite hotels and private villas and continuing with delicious restaurants, sleek bars and clubs. Samyang is a popular for its long great beach, and many of the trendy clubs are located right on the beach. So, our next destination is Ubud. Ubud is often described as the cultural heart of Bali and located in the central foothills of Bali Island in Indonesia. The place is covered with rice fields and Hindu temples. It is one of the best locations to practice yoga sessions. It's common to see a Balinese ceremony during your time in Ubud, which is a special experience to have. Ubud village itself can be quite busy, but surrounding Ubud you will find beautiful green seas of rice fields. Ubud village is full of restaurants, yoga studios, spas and shops. You will walk past temples and wander through markets. Let's explore one more town. Kuta. Kuta in Bali, the coastal town of Kuta is growing steadily and making a name for itself. Kuta is covered with rugged views, lush green hills and white surf beaches. There is no denying to it that Kuta is absolutely crazy. The place is also great for some local shopping as it is well covered with markets and shopping malls. Kuta is also a good area where you can learn to surf. Next area to discover is Teglalang Rice Terrace. This valley of rice paddies located north of Ubud has some jaw-dropping views and a great area to wander around. No trip to Bali is complete without a visit to one of the island's gorgeous rice terraces. You'll see them everywhere as you motorbike or drive around. The Teglalang Rice Terrace is located in the center of the island and it's just over a 20-minute drive from Ubud. This is a famous rice terrace near Ubud that you will probably see in everyone's and their mother's Instagram photographs. It's an ideal place to spend some time on serious photography and capture some nice shots. So, our next destination is Ulundanu Brathan Temple and Lake Brathan. Ulundanu Brathan Temple is one of the most clicked locations found on Instagram by the young travelers, and located at the shore of Lake Brathan. This whole area is surrounded by lakes and lush green mountains. This amazing Balinese temple is located about 1200 meters above sea level and located pretty much in the middle of Bali. This entire area is full of natural beauty. Pura Ulundanu Vratan in Bali, Indonesia is a Hindu temple devoted to the Hindu gods Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. This mountains encircling this location give it the characteristic mesmerizing dreamy touch. The Pura Ulundanu Vratan temple is sometimes also referred to as the floating temple since it appears to be floating when the river rises and submerges the adjoining parts of the temple complex. Next is Tanah Lot Temple. Tanah Lot is a curious and captivating rock formation of the Indonesian island of Bali. Last few centuries, the place is worshipped and attracts thousands of visitors each month. This scenic temple is located in the Berben village of the Tabanan Regency. Owing to its exceptional location, the Tanah Lot Temple has become a unique and very popular tourist attraction in Bali. Let's explore next spot, and it's Gidgid Waterfall. Gidgid Waterfall is one of the most well-known of the many waterfalls in North Bali, beautifully located amongst the lush jungle. The area is a popular spot for locals and tourists where you can swim, relax and enjoy nature. The best time to visit the waterfalls in Bali is just after the monsoon season, which is from April to June. Now it's time to answer some of the frequently asked questions. Do I need a visa to travel to Bali, Indonesia? Well, Bali provides visa on arrival to citizens of the many countries, which also makes it very convenient to travel. And there is no such special documentation required to visit Bali. However, it may depend upon your nationality. Your next question may be, how should I reach to Bali? Most of the places don't have direct flights available to Bali. Also, this is often the sole costliest part of the trip. Rest other things are economical. If you have a valid passport that is valid for 6 months or more, then you can easily travel to Bali. There are some low-cost airlines fly for this destination. You can always check for an outgoing deal for Bali with Ziffy Travels. Now, you must be thinking that what is the currency used in Bali? The currency used in Bali is Indonesian rupiah. Bali is incredibly much cheaper as compared to many of the tourist places, which also makes it economical to travel at any point of time. Bali is not a business hotspot and things especially for tourists are cheap and affordable. Just for an idea, $1 is almost equal to 14,900 Indonesian rupiah and 1 INR is almost equal to 190 Indonesian rupiah. Isn't it great? Overall, Bali can be a great place to explore and for planning a perfect vacation together with your loved ones. We hope that this blog about Bali will help you get an idea of planning your Bali vacation and making your travel dream come true. Please do contact for the latest travel deals and offer for a perfect Bali vacation. No matter from where you are flying, you can always book an affordable and all sorts of exciting Bali package with Ziffy Travels. Contact details are mentioned in the description box. I hope that you liked our video. Then please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel of Ziffy Travels and motivate us to make more amazing travel related videos. Now it's me Shilpi signing off and we'll catch you on our next YouTube video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye bye and namaste.